Today we will learn about long put strategy. This one, strategy number 4. Okay, long put strategy is opposite of buying a call. So when we are bearish with the market, we have two options. Either we can sell a call or we can write a call, and another option is we can buy a put. So when we write the call, we need to pay the high premium, and the loss can be unlimited, as you have seen in the previous class. If the market goes against your direction, you can make unlimited loss. So instead of writing a call, instead of selling a call, another option is that you can buy a put. So we can make a long position in the put if the market is bearish. Okay. So when the person is bearish about any stock or index, he can buy a put option. Put option give the buyer a right to sell but not the obligation. So if you buy any put, you have the right to sell, but nobody can force you to sell that. So maximum loss, again in this case, if you buy a put option, you have to choose a particular strike price. You need to pay the premium to the seller, and if the market close below your break even point, you can make a profit. If the market remain above your break even point, you will have to uh, bear the loss of the premium you have given. And again, in this case, maximum loss is limited to the premium you are paying. So maximum loss is your premium you are saying, but maximum profit can be unlimited. Okay. Here we can see the example of this particular example. Here we can see the long put is a bearish strategy when we are bearish about the market. To take the advantage of the falling market, an investor can buy the put option. So mixer XYZ is bearish on Nifty on 24 June when the Nifty is trading around 2694. He buy a put option of the strike price of 2600 and paying the premium of 52. So when we are buying a put option, again we need to pay the premium. Okay, so this is the premium we are paying, and this is the expiry date of 31st July. And if the market goes below 2548, because this is the premium, we have chosen the strike price of this one and we have paid the premium of 52 rupees. So if you minus 52 rupees from 2600, you will get this particular thing, this particular level. So this particular level is your break even point. So if the market close or goes below your break even point, you will start making the profit. If the market rise above 2600, you can forego the option premium. Whatever the premium you have given, that will be your maximum loss. Okay. So risk is limited to the premium you are paying, and the reward can be unlimited. In this case, we have seen the spot price is 26,2694. We have chosen the strike price of 2600 and the premium is 52. If you minus this data from this number, you will get this one. This is your break even point. Okay. Now, in this case, if the market is going above against your direction, in the upward direction, you can see your maximum loss is limited to the premium. Whatever the premium you have paid, that is your maximum loss. So if the market is 100 point plus, market is 200 point plus, market is 300 point plus, doesn't make any difference. Your maximum loss is already defined. It cannot be more than 52 point. This is your break even point. Okay. So at break even point, there is no profit, no loss. At this particular thing, the intrinsic value of your put would be 100 rupees, but just because of that we have paid 52 rupees as a premium. So if you minus 52 rupees from 100, you will get 48. So 48 is your net profit. If the market is 200 point down, we will make a profit of 200 minus 52, it would be 148. If the market is 300 point down, you can see there is a profit of 300 point minus 52 rupees of the premium. So total profit would be unlimited. So you can see the more the market is falling, you are making a profit. Okay. So in this case, your profit can be unlimited, and your loss is limited to the premium you are paying. Let's see one live example. So we are going on the market data and choosing the most gainer and loser today. And here I can select a loser. So you can see Trent is there, Adani Enterprises is there, Adani Port is there. You can choose Trent as well. Okay. So I'm choosing this particular Trent stock. Trent stock is more than 400 points down today. So one can make very good profit in this particular stock. Another stock is Adani Enterprises. It is also 100 points down today. Okay, so we can choose this one, Adani Enterprises. Now I'm coming back to Excel.
Sir, at what times we have to check this information in NSG website and we can take
You can uh, check around 9:30 would be fine. Okay,
9:30?
because yes,
Whatever the stocks are
yes,
there, we
yes.
can check the
After
chart
9,
out.
yes, 9:15 to 9:30, there is a small volatility in the market. After 15 or 30 minutes, market is settled down. And
Okay,
is there any like fluctuation in the market? It will be
okay,
completely done. So after
okay.
9:30 or 9:45, you can make a decision. If the stock is in bullish direction, you can go for the long trade. If the stock in the bearish direction, you can go for the short one.
Either we can go for top 20 losers
Yeah, you can
or
choose, yes, any of these stock.
according to the long build-up rise in
Yes,
open
exactly.
interest and
And
like.
I have also given you this particular website as well,
Yes, sir. I understand.
a heat map. Okay, so
It
this
may.
is the trade brain website. Here you can see the top all the indices. So first of all, you need
Okay,
to click on the indices tab, and you can
okay.
see which indices are down today or which indices is performing better today. So IT is one of the leading index
Yes,
today,
sir.
and real estate is the one of the loser. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
these sector or these indices are positive today, including the bank nifty, auto, nifty, and so on, FMCG as well. So you can choose any stock from these indexes. Okay. Same way you can go for Nifty as well. You can see this is the Nifty, and these are the top gainer. One of the leading one
Okay.
is Infosys, Tech Mahindra. So this is also from IT sector. This is also from IT sector. This is also from IT sector. So we have seen in this particular data, the IT sector is one of the leading sector or leading indices. So the Infosys is one of the leading stock from the Nifty 50. Same way you can choose either Bank Nifty, you can go for Fin Nifty as well. So this is the top leading bank today. This is the top leading financial services today. Same way, this is the top leading stock in the Sensex today. Okay.
All this information we can check
Yes.
after half an hour after the
Mm,
open market. Then we
exactly. You
can.
can see Eternal is also there. Okay. So here we can choose any stock according to this data. If you wanted to go for the long side, you can buy any of these stock. If you want to go for the put side, you can choose same way Adani, and Adani Enterprises trend is there. So, yeah. So we can choose this one. So Adani Enterprises I am using as an example. So
Long.
long put strategy we use when we are bearish with the market and we
Yes.
believe that the market is
Yes.
falling down. Okay. So here I am choosing the example of Adani Enterprises, okay, as an underlying asset. This would be my underlying asset. So expiry would be on weekly. Oh, sorry. Expiry would be
Expiry will
monthly.
be monthly, sir. 28th July.
Okay. So monthly expiry doesn't mean you need to wait for completely month. If you are making a good profit today, you can exit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The lot size of Adani Enterprise, let me check, maybe
Is 175 or something.
Adani Enterprises 309. This is the lot size 309. spot price, okay, we are choosing the spot price of morning, okay, opening price of Adani Enterprises. So open price was 3209, okay, previous close was 3206. So market open near to the closing price of the
Okay.
yesterday, okay, and after that it make a high of only 6 point merely and make a low of this and close around your lowest level, okay. So this is the low of today and market is trading around this level, so it is close, about to close around the lowest price, okay. So at the morning the opening price was 3209, this was the open price, okay. So at the morning I can choose 3209 was my spot price, and I can choose the strike price. So we can choose the strike price around 3200, which would be my mm, at the money level. So Adani Enterprises is there. Adani Enterprises is there. Expiry you can see it is 28 July, and we have to choose the put. Okay. So you can see these are the market was around this level
Yes,
in the
sir.
morning 3200. Okay. And in the morning the open price of this particular strike price was 97, around 97.
Yes,
Okay. Previous close was 97.85. So
yes.
market open exactly at the same level. Okay. So here you can see there is a matching. The price is exactly matching 97.85, 97.85. So it is close. It is open.
97.85.
Yes, at this particular level. Okay. What was the previous close? Okay. So 97 we can choose. Now we are coming to trading view and we are choosing the option and Adani Enterprises. So Adani Enterprises was trading around, we have to choose the put option, and so around 9:30 or 9:45 you can see it was around 100 point or 110. Okay, this was 9:15, this is 9:30 or this is 9:15. So we can make a position around at this time
9,
and it was trading around
10
110.
o'clock we can make,
Yes,
sir.
okay. So strike price was 3200 and the premium was 110 around. Okay. Premium in amount would be, yes,
3,300 and
this one
3,000.
multiply by the premium. It would be
Yes,
33,000. Okay.
53,000.
Now you can see according to the chart, okay, this is your put. So this is the chart of the put only.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
And I am also opening the same thing in underlying cash as well. Running enterprises. Okay. So this is the 15-minute chart again around 10 o'clock. Okay. So
Around
you
10.
can see after this particular level, the market is coming down, 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 and again, and it's still falling, close near the lowest level. Okay. So this is my last candle of today, and market
Yes,
is still in the downward direction. Okay. So after this level, like 11:30, market is continuously falling. So
yes,
we
yes.
have seen just a little retracement after this fall, and market is coming down here. Okay. So if you see or observe this particular call put as well, so it has the low of 112. So we have make entry around 110. So it is 112. Okay. So there is not
Yes,
much stop loss would be there. Okay. Now market is, you can see there is a rise in the put and the market is above, it is close to the more than 150. Okay. 155 is the highest price So if you want, you can exit in the same intraday as well. If you don't want to carry forward your position, you can exit. So entry was around 110,
One.
and if you want, you can exit at 150 as well and 155 as well, whenever you want.
Okay.
So just okay. So one can exit at this level as well when we have seen this first uh, shooting star kind of candle. Okay, and again there is a confirmation of this particular shooting star. Now one can exit after this level as well. Still, we have make a profit of more than 140 point or 100 point
Mhm.
would be enough. Okay, so we can exit from this level to this level. It would be around 40 point would be there, and 40
Yes, sir.
point would be like more than 12,000. Okay,
More than
so amount was there, and we have seen like high
150 into
150
309.
into yes. Okay, so 150, there is a difference of only 40 point. Okay,
40.
yes. So 40 point I have just okay. This is your net profit. So 309 multiplied by the 40 point would be your profit. You can make around 12,000 in intraday itself only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So and if you still bearish about this stock, you can hold your position
Sir,
accordingly.
but at the time after half an hour of the market opening, if the spot price is price will not be the same, no, sir, as it open price.
Yes.
So there will be some sort of difference in entering the uh, spot price will be different, no, sir. It would have been 40 points or 30 points
No,
down by that time.
no, no, no. You can see this is a chart of put only. This is the chart
Yes,
of
sir.
put.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the morning, it was around 98, which was
Yes,
my yesterday close. Okay. This
yes,
was my
sir.
yesterday close. This was my opening price around. It opened around this level. It's make a low
Yes,
of this. And after
yes,
that, in the entire day, you can see if you make an entry on the first candle as well, you can see this by the low of today. Okay. So
low of
if you make an entry of today itself, and if you enter
yes,
at this particular level, this this is the my low of today. So if you make an entry today, your stop loss should be below this level.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
So maybe if I open make an entry at 94 or 93, so my stop loss should be around 90 or 88, maybe around
Yes,
below this level. This should be my stop loss.
yes,
Okay, no? So this is my first candle. Okay. So if you break this candle in the 5 minute time frame, 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, so around 9:30 I can make a position. Okay. If you want, you can
yes,
wait for another 15 minute or another 15 minute. It's all up to your choice. Okay.
yes,
So if you make an entry here as well, okay. If you make an entry at this particular time as well after 9:45, your stop loss is not 100. Okay. Because if you make an entry here, your stop loss would be around this point,
sir,
this level.
basing on what observation we have to uh, uh, enter into the thing, sir, on
Because
particular strike price
see,
according to the chart,
see, according to the chart, you can see this is the chart of underlying asset of Nifty. Okay.
underlying assets, sir.
Yes. Now market is not been able to cross this particular level. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is my area of resistance.
Yes,
Okay. So again, you can see this is my area of rejection. Multiple time market is rejected from this level. Okay. There is a shadow at this particular time.
yes,
Again,
sir.
there is a shadow around this. There is a candle around this, and there is also a shadow around this. Okay. So
Yes,
in the previous day as well, this is the day 6 July. Again, market is rejecting from this level, and
yes, sir.
at 3:30, okay. So market is has fall from this particular level
Yes, sir.
in the previous day as well. Okay. And in today as well, you can see the market is open around this level. This is my first candle. Okay. And it's still falling.
Yes, sir.
So it means the stock is in a bearish mood. And again, here you can see the market was in the
Analyzing in underlying asset chart and taking the entry in strike
exactly,
price chart.
exactly. And on the daily basis as well, you can see there is a evening star kind of pattern here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is my first candle, the second candle, and the third candle. The third candle has given me
Yes.
the confirmation. Okay,
Evening.
yes,
So
even
after this red candle, we can enter, sir.
yes. Okay, so
After
this
this
was my
big
first day Friday session. This is my Monday session, and you can see there is a red candle at the top of the chart.
yes, sir.
Okay, and today
Yes,
market is open around this level, and it has broken this the low of previous candle. So you can plan an entry around this. Okay,
yes, sir.
so if I place a trend line here, this is my line here. Okay, and now I'm breaking this particular uh, chart to 15-minute time frame, and I need to see a candle closing below this low. Okay,
Okay, sir. So no need to wait for confirmation candle,
yes.
sir. After
Now,
the
still, if you want to get the double shorty, you can see market has at this particular time 9:15, 9:30, and 9:45. So this is a
yes,
perfect
sir.
time at 9:45. Okay,
9:45.
you can make the entry, and you can see after this thing market has come retrace up to this level but not close above this level, and again there
Yes,
is a
sir.
fall in the market. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that's how you can make an entry or plan an
So
entry.
stop loss will be the 9:45 candle, sir. High.
Yes, this would be my stop loss if
Yeah,
the market close
9:45
above this
candle
level.
high will be
Yes,
my stop loss.
yes, exactly.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
and this is also one of the strategy as well. So you can
Yes.
see like there is one example. If you want, you can choose or you can mark the high or low of the previous day any
Yes,
day.
sir.
Okay, so this is my previous day candle. Okay, what
Yes.
I can do is I can mark the high and low of the previous day candle. Okay, so this is the Monday candle and today is Tuesday, so I need to wait to any particular candle on the intraday basis which close below this particular level. Okay,
Okay,
if any candle break the low of this, then I can go for a short position. Okay,
sure.
again on the shorter time frame, on the 15-minute time
Yes.
frame, I need to wait any particular candle which break the low of
On
yesterday.
9:45 exact candle
Yeah,
has
exactly.
broken.
Okay, so this is my first candle, this is my second candle, and this is my third candle. It has break the low, which is the previous day low, and as break the low, I can plan an entry around this level, and this would be my stop loss above the high of this particular candle. Okay,
Yes.
so in the entire day, market has not crossed, or your stop loss will not get hit. Okay,
Yes.
and you can make a good profit. Okay,
Yes.
same thing we can observe in another stock which we have just seen, that is Trent, another loser of today.
Sir, you mean to say we should take entries in 15 minutes chart and we can write the profit in daily time in positional way also.
No, this is for intraday only.
Intraday, and we can as well write the profit in positional if the stock is still
Yes,
in
and
bearish
if you
mode.
think the thing bearishness will be continue for the next few days as well, you can hold your position. Okay. Now another
Yeah,
example we
instead
can
of
see that
taking in daily time frame, we should always take in 15 minutes time frame. If the
yes,
exit is coming in intraday,
yes, you
it
can
is good that we will exit with a small stop loss.
yes, exactly. Okay. So you
Otherwise, we can write the profit.
right. Now another example we can see is trend. Okay. Now if you go to trend and see there is a gap down today.
There is a spinning top, sir.
Yeah. So there is a gap down today. Okay.
Yes, sir. There
So
was a spinning top
yes, it's went up at the okay. So this is my first oh, this is my yesterday close.
yesterday close.
Okay, and you can see market is okay. So in this case, you can see there is a long Marubozu candle and there is a huge gap down as well. Okay,
Yes,
so in this case, you can either avoid making an entry
Yes,
because
sir.
already market is in the,
Already
yeah, there is a gap
yes,
down already. Okay.
have done order.
So that is not a perfect candidate. We can choose another one, BEL, or yes, BEL would be the, because sometime if you choose this particular stock, maybe
Yes.
sometime you will, uh, the chance is
Stuck.
there because already is already gap down, so market
Yes,
can
sir.
be recovered from a certain level. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that's why it is preferable not to take position in the stock which is already so much gap down.
Yes.
Okay, so we can choose another stock that is BEL.
But still, we can take entry in trend, sir, because even that high of this today is not
Yes,
broken.
yes, that
Means
can be
still
done on an intraday basis. Okay. Now
intraday.
again, this is my daily candle of BL. Okay. Now this is my previous candle,
Yes,
yesterday candle. So I can mark the high and the low of the previous day candle, and I need to wait any particular candle which should break the low of
right.
this. Okay. So now
Uh,
I can choose
uh,
for 15-minute time frame. Okay. In this stock, I cannot make an entry. Okay. Here it has given me the opportunity, but not so much,
yes, sir.
not so good.
Also good.
So this is not for the intraday. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, in what conditions we have to check strike price charts also, sir?
This way. Now, what is the main thing about this stock? That is, it is in downtrend. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you
We
can
will
see
check
this is the
spot price
previous.
chart,
Yeah, this is
underlying
the,
asset
yes.
chart for analysis.
Now you can see the market is in downtrend.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the lower high, oh, higher low,
Higher low.
again lower high and lower high again, and
Yes.
again you can see. Okay.
Yes.
So there can be
Yes,
the
sir.
possibility. And another stock you can choose, that is Math, Health, or you can choose Cipla. We can try Cipla. Okay, Cipla. Okay, now Cipla is a good candidate. You can see it is on the top of the chart, and we can see there is a uh,
Right.
bearish engulfing kind of thing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is
And
the green
moreover, a
candle.
flag pattern also, sir.
Yes. Okay. So this stock can be bearish tomorrow as well, as per the
Yes,
data you can see. Okay. So if this particular thing, because it has formed at the top of the chart, and
yes,
today itself you can see there is a green candle, and this red candle is completely engulfed with
yes, sir.
green candle. Okay. Now if we go to like 15-minute time frame again, now you can see this is my 15-minute time frame, and you can
Yes,
see this is my first candle 9:15. Okay, and here it has 9:15. Okay, at this point it has crossed the low of first candle. Okay, so what you can do is that you can mark the high of and low of the first candle as well, 15-minute time frame, and if the uh, any candle close above or below this level, you can also go for intraday trade.
either in daily time frame and 15 minutes time frame. So
Yes,
first candle high and low mark.
yes, you can mark the first candle. Okay. Now at this particular time, after this red candle, we can plan an entry. Okay. We can see there is a only shadow. This candle is not close above this.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So we can plan an entry after this, and you can see this would be your target. After this candle, you can make an entry, and
So what will be the stop loss, sir, when we enter there?
stop loss
Stop
above
loss
this.
it is there, no, sir.
Yes. If any candle close above this line,
Yes, sir.
okay, this would be a stop loss. So there is a shadow.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
No candle is close above this. Okay. If any candle close above this line, then we can, this would be your stop loss.
Yes,
Now you
sir.
can see there is a gap of 17 or 18 point can be captured using
Yes,
this.
sir. 17.
Another stock I was using was Hindu Copper, which is also uh, Hindustan Copper.
Yes.
Okay. It is also in bearish zone.
This is most of
Okay,
the
but
time
it
it
is
is
not available in FNO.
FNO, sir.
It's not available in FNO, but
Okay.
it is a bearish candidate. It is falling from more than 600 or around. Yes.
Yes, sir.
No. So this stock is continuously in the bearish zone after this
From 1 month, sir,
after this shooting star. Okay.
after the shooting.
Okay. So from this particular level, it has not recovered yet. On the daily
Sir, how
basis,
do we trade in this, sir, if there is if it is not in FNO segment?
see, it is not in FNO, so we can do the short sell only, and that can be
Short
done in
sell, but
intraday.
that is only for intraday, no,
Intraday
sir.
only, yes. It can be used for intraday position.
Intraday.
So it has fall from 600 to around 495. Maybe 100 point can be captured. See here. It is around more than 130 point retracement from this high.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is just a swing high, and you can see there is a shooting star here,
As
and
well, we
after
can
it,
use Fibonacci also, no, sir.
you can use
Fibonacci, as
Fibonacci.
you told, if it crosses 0.3, then there
Yes,
are
yes,
more chances that resistance will
yes,
get weak.
right, right. So right now you can see there is no recovery. Okay, market is
No
still under
recovery.
23 level. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so there is no sign of recovery you can see. And
Yes,
if you place Fibonacci from this point to this point, okay, it is close to 160 level. Okay,
yes, sir.
so it may possible it can regain this level as it can goes up to this level.
This, yes, sir. That is the golden ratio
Yes,
level,
that is the golden ratio.
1.6.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So I choose just a simple Fibonacci from this low to this high. Okay, and once it has crossed the 38%, you can see it is above below 61% as well, 1% as well,
Sir, if
and
it is
again
fulfilling a harmonic pattern, any one of the harmonic pattern, we can as well do uh, derivative, means option selling or option long call or short call we can do, no, sir.
yes, yes, sir. We can choose any bearish harmonic pattern. After any
There is
bearish harmonic pattern, if it is formed, we can make a position.
and taking, if the stock after the bearish harmonic pattern, if it crosses 0.3 level
Yes, yes.
uh, Fibonacci, then we can take the entry
We
into
can
the,
take the entry in the sell side.
because if it doesn't crosses means, then again there are more chances that it will break that
Yes,
level.
that particular high. That yes.
Okay.
Now, if you
That
see,
that way we can take the entries, no, sir, using Fibonacci and the harmonic
yes,
pattern.
exactly. Now, if you see, if you take a place this Fibonacci from this to this level, you can see in this retracement, it has not closed above this level. Again, there is a there is a green candle here as well after this retracement,
Yes,
but it has
yes, sir.
also not closed above this 38 level.
Yes,
And
sir. Yes,
still,
sir.
after making a fresh low as well, it is still below this level. Okay,
Yes,
so there
sir.
is no chance of still, and it has not given the target of this. Okay, so it may take around 160 level. This would be my golden ratio. Okay, so
Yes,
it may possible, and if you place another level that is 1.27, okay, so it has also break this level as well. This is the
yes,
median level of one between 1 and 161. So it has also crossed this level. So this would be
yes,
my ideal support. So it may possible the market will regain from this level after 161%. My golden issue. Okay.
yes.
So just I have told you like any particular stock we have observed like Adani Enterprises as well. We can observe Cipla as well. So you can
Yes, sir.
choose any stock out of these like Max Healthcare as well.
Yes.
Max Health.
We should check at 9:45 after the
Yes.
market open. Then should check the spot price chart.
Yes.
Then
Okay.
we can.
Again, you can see this Max Healthcare as well. This is the high. This is a swing high, and there is a rejection from this particular level. Okay, so this is my swing high from this point to this point. Okay, and again there is a rejection candle here. Okay, so this candle is an engulfing candle as well. The green candle is
engulfing,
engulfed by this one.
dark
Okay,
cloud.
yes, exactly. After this thing, there is another red candle here as well.
Yes,
So it may possible the bearishness will continue tomorrow as well in this particular
yes,
stock. It may possible. Okay. Now, now again, if we see this stock, so this is my previous day high, and this
yes,
is
sir.
my previous day low. Okay, and on the 15-minute time frame, I need to see any candle which close below this level. This is one of the method. Okay, I can apply my entry at this level. Okay, and this can be your profit 13 to 15 point. Another thing is that you need to wait for the first candle of 9:15. Okay,
Sir, or else we can check like after market hours, like how we are checking. According to that, we can plan for our entry, no, sir, for the next
yes,
day,
for
even
the
for
next
the
day. Yes,
intraday
yes,
also.
exactly.
Like how we are checking it after the market
See,
hours. This
now,
will be more safest way, no, sir,
yes,
safest
yes,
way.
exactly. Now the market is closed today. Then we can see if this stock is also bearish today as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can see there is a rejection in the price from this particular level, and
Yes, sir.
after reaching at this point of time, at this level, it has not been able to cross above this level. So this is my area of rejection. Okay, you can see there is a shadow, there is a shadow here, there is a shadow here. Still, this is my highest point, but market is not been able to close above this level.
Yes,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. More than 7 days, market is sideways. It means market don't want to go more
up.
upward direction. So we can see there is a rejection in the price in today and yesterday as well. Now, if the thing will continue today, then we can plan an entry. Now we can see again the Fibonacci tool here. Okay, so it has not crossed above this level, below this level. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we can make an entry after this. Okay,
0.3 level.
yes.
Zero. Yes, sir. 1072 level, we
Okay,
can make an
but
entry.
according to the candle formation, it may
This,
possible that price is in bearish zone.
yes, sir.
Okay, now for the confirmation, this is my area of support. Okay, because there is a resistance, there is
So many
also a
times it
resistance.
is.
So it has crossed this resistance. So this can act as a support. So if the market break this level, 11110, okay, then we can
Yes,
see the stock can fall more.
yes, sir.
Okay. So if the on intraday basis is the or on the daily basis, if the market in the tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if the any candle close below this level, then we can see
Yes,
the market will fall, and now we can think about that the market will go
yes,
in the bearish direction.
and
But for intraday, we can choose 5-minute time frame as well, or 15-minute time frame as well. Then we have to wait for this particular low. Once the low of today low is break, we can plan an entry after this, and here we can go for the short. Okay, and stop loss would be high of this candle.
ideal time frame will be 15 minutes, no, sir, for
You can
intraday
go,
or
I
for
yes,
position.
yes, 15-minute, or if you are doing the scalping, you can use 5 minute or 1 minute as well.
Okay, okay,
Okay, so if you plan an entry at this point as well, okay,
yes.
at this point, okay, so this would be your, you can capture almost 17 to 18 point. Okay, and this is the 12:30, around 12:30. Okay, now Max Healthcare, we can see Max Max Healthcare. Okay, and around this one 11 113. ठीक है, तो अराउंड 12:30 और क्या था, दिस इज माई टाइम 11 after this particular candle. Okay, so 12:30, after 12:30 I will make a position when the market break this certain level. Okay, so 12:25 or 12:30 would be the time. Now here you can see after
because it
12.
has crossed the first
Yes,
15 minutes
yes,
candle.
or in the this particular strike price here it has crossed this particular level. Okay, after it is crossing this thing I can make an entry around 12:25, which is here 12:30 12:25. Okay, I can choose 5 minute time frame as well. Okay, I can apply my entry around this area. Okay, for 28, after making an entry at 28 or 27 or 28 point, okay, and it has reached up to 34, so I can capture 6 point. Okay, and lot size for this would be 500, so it
Yes,
would be around 6,000.
six, 3,000, sir.
No, yeah,
6
3,000.
point
Yeah, 6 point would be 3,000.
3,000.
In this way you can choose any stock and make an entry according to that. Okay,
Sir, here why we have taken there in Max Health is because it has crossed the first 15 candles low. That is why we have make an entry
yes, yes,
on long put.
yes.
Okay.
See, there are multiple strategies. I have told you, you
Yeah.
can, one of the strategies is marking the previous day high or low. Okay. And
Okay,
once
sir.
the any side, you can see the any side of breakout, either it is close above the high of previous day, you can go for long position, call
Yes,
position
sir.
or bullish side. And if it is close the low of previous day, we can go for short. This is one of the
Yes,
strategy. Another
yes,
strategy is for the intraday. You can mark the 15-minute time frame in the first candle of 15 minute, and you can mark the
yes, sir.
high and low of the first candle. If any side you can see there is a breakout of any side, either on the upper side or the lower side, you can make an intraday position as well.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
and
Yes.
stop loss would be if you are making a entry on the
If we are going for long put, then
yes, yes,
breaking candle high will be
yes,
our stop.
exactly, right. Okay, on the five, either on the 5 minute time frame or 15 minute time frame. Okay, so same thing can be done on any particular stock. Okay, which is the
Okay.
loser today. Okay, and
Sir.
just I have told you that you can choose any of these stock. You can choose from bank nifty as well.
Loser means I have one small doubt, sir.
Yes,
Just half an hour after the market open, we'll get top gainers and top losers then and there itself, sir. After half an hour only, we will get that
yeah, you will
information.
get after at 9:15 as well, 9:16 as well.
Top losers and top gainers.
Yes, yes, you can see the top loser and top gainer,
Oh,
and you can choose on the nifty, next nifty as well. Okay,
yes,
so this is next nifty. You can choose any stock from this as well.
yes,
Like Dog is also 2%
yes.
down today. DLF is down today. Vedanta is there. These are the
Few
top
of the
losers.
stocks doesn't have liquidity, sir.
Which one?
Mostly, few of the stocks
Yeah,
doesn't have
yeah.
liquidity,
Yes,
sir,
yes, exactly.
because
Nifty 50
most.
stock are having the highest volatility
Yes,
or
sir.
liquidity as
One
well.
time I have done Hindustan Zinc.
Yes, yes,
It doesn't even move, sir. Even the market is spot price is changing.
yes, sir. Because
Uh,
the weightage of these stock are very low in the,
Very low, sir.
yes. Most highly weighted stocks are Infosys, Reliance, these are the HDFC Bank. These are
Yes,
having
sir.
the maximum weightage.
Even in next 50, PNB Bank, all like PNB Bank, Shale,
Yes,
does that have more liquidity, sir?
yes, yes,
Even though it is next 50 stocks,
yes,
uh, we have to select a more liquidity stock.
yes. If the liquidity would not be there, you will not be able to make
Yeah, sell
exit.
or
Yes,
make a
exactly.
entry or exit.
Right, right. Okay. So
Okay.
is I think that is quite clear to you, right?
Yes, sir. Very clear, sir. Very clear.
Okay. ठीक है. So this is a long put, and we have choose one of this example.
So the
And
safest way is we will check after the market hours. Then it will be safest way to
yes,
plan for next day instead of
yes,
checking
if
at
you are looking for a
9:45.
positional trade, it is always better that you can choose on the after the daily basis when the market is closed.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
we can use for as a swing trade as well. So we can
Yes,
wait
sir.
for few days. Okay, if the market is
Yes, sir.
still in the bearish zone, or if you have selected any of
Yes,
the harmonic pattern, so we can wait
sir.
for the your
Sir,
reversal
another
zone.
small doubt, sir.
Yes.
Harmonic patterns means which time frame we will get. We can identify many number of harmonic patterns, sir.
See, if you are again, main thing is depend upon the type of trading you are doing. If you are looking for
Okay.
positional trade, the daily time frame would be ideal. But if you
Okay,
go
sir.
to 1 minute time frame or 5 minute time frame, you will see lots of harmonic pattern forming on the 1 minute or
Yes.
5 minute time frame.
Yes, sir.
Okay, multiple pattern are forming in the intraday itself. Okay,
Sir, in case if I want to do swing trading, means 1 hour, 4 hours is good, sir.
yes. See, I'm just giving the example of like harmonic pattern. You can see if you go to like Nifty itself, and
Yes, sir.
I'm just adding multi zigzag.
Multi.
This is my harmonic pattern. Okay. So if I'm choosing, see if I'm choosing like this intraday time frame, system is getting hanged.
No, no, no.
Good.
You need to that indicators you need to
Yes.
take out.
No, it's not.